provided by them is using the SSD solid state drive, and this allows their server to perform at a much faster speed. From their share hosting specification page, we can see there's a 3 hosting plan provided. The basic plan starts from $3.92. And why this plan is far better? Because they have a complete SSD solution for your files, operating system, and database. This is a complete server performance boosting, and it allows your website to perform at a much faster speed. You can click on this link and it will do a competition comparison. For example, A2Hosting can load the page of a PrestaShop e-commerce site in 1.9 seconds, whilst the other hosting service, for example, DreamHost in 2.7 seconds, Bluehost in 4.7 seconds, GoDaddy is even worse at 5.2 seconds, and HostGator recorded at 9.1 seconds. So this means their solid state drive is doing a great job, and it really improved the site performance. If you are doing a business site hosting, you need the maximum performance for your share hosting. You can consider this turbo plan. The cost is $9.31, and it have a 20 times faster page loading. This is their guarantee. There's a fewer user per server, meaning there's a less account and less website. The server is offload, and it will have enhanced performance in Apache platforms. So meaning the hardware software is optimized, and there's a fewer user per servers. Shift plan and turbo plan, they allow unlimited domains hosting. This means you can have multiple websites hosted in here. The database is unlimited as well, and this allow you to host multiple blog, e-commerce, forums, etc. The virtual memory is increased to 8 GB, so this one will be the SSD. The more is the better, and the turbo plan with 8 GB of virtual memory will definitely increase your site performance. So if you are signing up with them, you can use the coupon code provided at the site here, and it will be giving you 51% in discount. They have a server in multiple locations. There's one in USA, another in Europe, Amsterdam, and the third one in Asia, located in Singapore. So there's a lot of free migration service, free site backup, faster server, optimized security, anytime money back guarantees, and they are using a green hosting service, which means there's zero pollutions, and there is a cloud Linux OS platform, so meaning their share hosting services is running on cloud platform, and this will increase the server reliability and reduce the service downtime, and so on. They allow 99.9% uptime guarantees, and if your website is falling short, you can claim this back and they will credit into your account. For database, they have a unlimited database, and it's running the latest version of MySQL and PostgreSQL. The Apache server is the latest platform too. For emails, you have unlimited email accounts, and the cPanel is included free. Later on, we'll take a look at their cPanels and hosting account with them. So let's take a look at here. This is our cPanels account main page. After, we need to log in using our domain name /cPanels, and it's using a default simple themes. So the top section is the promotion. You can get the free Bings and Yahoo credits, iContact free email services, and Beavertizer to $20. You can change password, account password, everything from here. And most importantly, they are using the Softaculous application installer. A2Hosting is not using simple scripts or Fantastico. They're using Softaculous. In comparison, this installer tools is much faster, and they are more stable. There is less error. I have been using this for quite some time, a few trials, and the installation is very good and error free. For example, you can click on the WordPress and you can proceed with the installation. The information provided is sufficient. If you a demo of the scripts, WordPress, and how it will look like in real life, there's an actual link, actual page. You can take a preview. So this is the extra benefit that you can find in Softaculous and not available in other installer tools. If you need a quick preview of the script, you can click on the screenshot and it will allow you to take a preview of the main page, the admin sections, and the dashboard of the WordPress blog. So this will give you a very good picture. At the left side, there is lots of categories from you to choose from. There is blog, CMS, forums, wiki, image gallery, social networking, e-commerce, educational, videos, file management, musics, and so on. You can choose any scripts that you prefer and install it here. For example, the forum section, you can have a PHP BB, SMF, Vanilla, Pun BB, BB Press, Mini BB, and a lot more. All these are the free scripts and you can install into your domains. To start the installation process, you only need to click on the install button and proceed with the simple Q&A, and you can complete it into your destination directory. So back to A2 web hosting official website. The share hosting services is a very good budget, and it offers you with the most superior performance. And if you need more performance than the share hosting services, for example VPS plan, they have both managed and unmanaged VPS plan, and right now the price is available with 34% in discount. The basic plan is starting from $32.99, and this plan comes with 4 GB of RAM. This is very sufficient. In feature wise, we can see it's using the solid state drive, free 2 dedicated IP address, and turbo VPS boosting. So this means by default it will be 20 times faster than others website. If you are going to host it in worldwide location, you can choose from USA, Europe, or Asia. There's a lot of add-on features, including the credit card merchant accounts also provided in here. You can add the PrestaShop one-click setup, affordable SSL certificate, etc. For cloud hosting services, they added this feature in this year 2015, and the price starts from as low as $15 a month only. Cloud hosting is very reliable, and they have the Shift server hosting platform, which guarantee the most optimized server hardware and software configurations. They are using the DDR3 memory. This one is not using the solid state drive. Please take note on this. For reseller hosting, they have been promoting this reseller services since year 2007, and the plans remain quite similar, and this is designed for people who want to resell the A2 hosting services, make some profit from them. For example, they allow the client's account to be created in unlimited numbers. They're giving you 130 GB of storage space. For example, you can allocate 10 GB for each of your customer, and that means you can create 13 hosting account from here. For dedicated server, they have a unmanaged and managed plan as well. The price is 17% off. So if you are looking for A2 hosting demo site, you can visit my website at unlimitedwebhost.space. At here, this demo site is hosted with A2 share web hosting services. We using our own account, and we set up the WordPress blog at here. So this one will be the actual site hosted with them. if you need to perform a speed test on the website, you can use this unlimited web host, and I would recommend using the Pingdom website speed test. Type in the website and click on the test, and you will get the result. So for my current testing, is showing the performance grade of 80% out of 100. The website is faster than 50% of all tested website, which means the site is loading at very good speed. For previous speed test, I have a page here, and it shows the result from Pingdom and Google Page Speed. And for website uptime, if you want to know what is the A2 hosting uptime looks like, this is the page for you.